Slinky's over visiting today. He was on his chair out there, but he's doing his approach on the birds, the bird feeder. The birds were just there, but they saw him and took off. He's looking at him up in a tree. I don't know if we can see any of them. None on the feeder. I don't see him in a tree either. But he sees them. He's a better hunter than I am, I guess. He was over there sitting on the chair, enjoying himself. In a front seat row to the tree and the bird feeder. Watch him here. He may climb the tree. Sometimes he climbs the tree. Zoom in on that guy, see if we can get see his face better. Looks like he's just gonna hang out there maybe. Yeah, he's watching the tree. Well, he's yawning. He must be tired. He had a tough time walking from the chair to the tree. He's looking at me now. He did. He saw me standing here. He sees me looking at him. You gotta come on over, see if you can get in the house, I guess. We'll go out and see him. Hey, what you doing? Huh? What you doing? Did you see me, huh? Yeah, did you see me? Come on, come get back. Ah, what you doing? Meow. Yeah, meow, huh? Yeah. What's meow doing, huh? Gosh. Oh, yeah, he probably smells the compost bucket. Oh, still got that big naughty. Yeah, you got that big naughty. Oh, you doing Popeyes? Yeah. Where you going? Huh? What you doing, huh? Oh, you just come to see me for a minute, huh? Yeah. He said hello. Now he's gonna go check things out. I guess that's it for today. Got a pet Sat in his chair, looked at birds, went and looked at them. He's gonna take off now. He goes down the side of the house, and there's another cat across the street that he looks for. If you enjoy these Slinky videos, please hit the like and subscribe button as Slinky departs with his tail.